Here in one of my affiliate marketing account dashboards, I just wanted to start this video out by showing you proof that I've been able to make an average of over $6,900 per day. On top of that, just on the topic of this dashboard, one of my most memorable moments was actually making $42,000 in a single day. So the whole reason why I showed this little part to you, and something that I often don't talk about on this YouTube channel, is just because I wanted to give you guys proof that, first of all, if I can do it, I can give you the step-by-steps on what you guys can do in order to find similar success as well. To get started, what is affiliate marketing? I think one of the best ways to define this is to go over a recent story that I had. So I was talking with one of my friends, Tommy, and he was recently telling me about how his suitcase broke on his vacation and almost ruined their trip. It was in that conversation I told him that there was one of my favorite suitcase brands called Away, and what I really liked about this brand is that, unlike Remo, which is another suitcase that I have, it's a lot more affordable, and they also have lifetime warranty. I've also heard from a number of other friends who cracked their suitcase and use this company where they're able to walk into a store and for that same day, no questions asked, they were able to get it replaced. During the conversation I was having with Tommy, I remembered this brand also had a referral program where if I gave them a link, my friend would be able to get $20 off and I would also be able to get 20 bucks too. So this here is just a small scale example of what affiliate marketing is. Another example that I like to use is talking about my cell phone provider, Mint Mobile. This is because for many years I was using Sprint, which in my own experience, this company was terrible. Now, I'd first heard about Mint after scouring Reddit for months, and after hearing just countless amount of good stories, I realized, okay, why not give it a shot? Now, Mint Mobile has been fantastic, and that moment was about 3 to 4 years ago. It's been a long time since I've been using Mint Mobile, and since then, there are even still moments where I'm hanging out with my girlfriend. She's paying for Verizon Wireless, which is considered to be the best in this area, and there are even moments where I have better cell phone coverage in areas that she doesn't. So after using Mint Mobile for about a few years, I ended up telling my family about it. They all switched over and now they save about 70% off from their cell phone bill. And most importantly, I had actually told them about it during a time where I saw that they had referral credits given. On top of that, I even mentioned Mint Mobile in some of my older YouTube videos where those shoutouts have still gotten me enough credits with this service to give me free phone service for the next foreseeable future of at least a few years. So affiliate marketing, plain and simple, it's very similar to the two examples that I just gave you. But instead of just recommending products to your friends and your family, you can recommend products to anyone on the internet and get paid for it. First, you just need to find a product or a service that you really like and that you think will provide value to others. I also need to mention this here because there are a lot of people who will say, okay, buy my course with affiliate marketing and just push whatever product pays the most amount of dollars possible. That is just a crummy way of doing business. I think a lot of people who even mention that is a viable business model they're just a bunch of dookie heads. Within the business model of affiliate marketing, first find products and services that you yourself would use and that you vouch for. After that, if you're able to find a certain product's affiliate program, which would give you a special link that has a tracking cookie, where if you share it to others and they do end up buying or signing up for a service, then it would report to that company. So if they end up using my Mint Mobile link, they would know, the company would know, and they would know to give me a commission on that sale that I helped them make. So in total, just the principles of affiliate marketing is very simple since everything is done online and you can work anywhere in the world. And with this type of business model, profit margins are insanely good. So you have room to scale. Affiliate marketing is one of those key sustainable business models that if you do it right, you'd be able to make a lot of that passive income bread. So by now, you should have a full understanding of how affiliate marketing works, but how can you actually make consistent income from this? And what did I do eventually to make over $7,000 to even $9,000 every single day? So first of all, before diving headfirst into any business, I think it's crucial to get your baby steps in. Before you run, you walk. Before you ride a bike, you have training wheels. Before committing to most serious engagements in life, you take a chance to see whether or not it's for you by training up and working towards it. Now, I think it's highly important to apply those fundamentals into business and especially into the start of affiliate marketing. I've encountered the problem far too often where hungry entrepreneurs getting into the space all of a sudden just want to make $100K a month right now, immediately off the bat in their first month going into the business world. Let me tell you from my own experience that it's very unlikely for anyone to be able to do that, and it's not even sustainable sustainable even if they are able to do that first month. I'm all about that slow and steady approach where you start slow with just the goal of making, say, just one sale a week. And if you're able to do that, then move it forward into making one sale a day, then $20 a day, $50 a day. And then eventually you can shoot to do $1,000 or more every single day. I like to speak from experience. And for me, I did not wake up one day making $5,000 a day. It took me years, and it actually took me a few years to get my first $100 a day, but it took me over 4 full years to start making serious money. When it comes to any business model, there is always a formula, and if you know this formula, you too can find success. So Brian, what is this formula? Well, if you just go ahead, check out the link down below in my description and pay $999 to my course. All right, guys, I'm just playing with you. Here's actually the real formula. All right, so ladies and gents, I got my trusty little iPad just to show you a visual. And the formula for this is very simple. The X is gonna be the offer, and you need the right audience. And that equals money. Simple, right? Well, on the other hand, if you have the wrong offer and you have the right audience, you don't make money. Or say on the other hand, you have the right offer, but you have the wrong audience, can't make money. All right, so simply put, right offer, right audience, you're making a lot of money. But let me break it down even further. All right, so when it comes to the X variable, also known as just the offers, you have to know that these are abundant. Believe it or not, offers are not gatekept at all. You have access to all the very best products and services in the world, and I'll show you exactly how you can unlock all of that for free later on. What most of you guys may not have right now is having the right audience right under your belt. So how do you build that? How do you build a Y variable? Because if you're able to get the Y variable and you have access to all of the best products and services, then you should be able to make money. Well, luckily in this day of age, we have the power of social media. TikTok, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube, Google SEO, blogs, social media right now is going to be the tool that allows you to bridge what content you have to the right audience so you can access a person who might need a problem solved, they need better entertainment, better information, and you could go ahead and enhance their life with the product or service that you are promoting. The very first thing that you want to do next is to recognize your own audience. So remember at the start of the video where I mentioned starting with trading wheels. Well, there's no better place to start any business than using the tools that you already have. Chances are pretty high that you have a Facebook account, you have an Instagram account, you may have a TikTok account, you might have a Pinterest, whatever social media platforms. The next thing you want to do is start by thinking of the products that you use and that you love. As an example for this video, ladies and gents, something that I've been loving is this Owala water bottle. I got 20 different water bottles that I've used for my whole life. This is partly because I've grown up playing sports. I'm always at the gym. And one of the reasons why I love this water bottle, it's got a straw and it doesn't make me feel like I'm drowning. Y'all know that feeling, right? When you're like drinking water and you feel like you're drowning because you know you got to get hydrated. The next thing you'd want to do is then find links for the products and or services that you're trying to promote. And after that, you can create content around those items. So as an example, let's do one right now. I just gave you an example of promoting this Owala water bottle. And the next thing I would then do is to go on Google. I would then type in Owala water bottle and I'm going to try and find a link. So there's two ways I can go about this. I can go on their actual website. Oh, wow. And man, I like this color. I kind of want to buy another one. We're in a recession, so I won't. If I scroll down to the bottom of their page, you'll see that this is actually pretty common within a lot of these newer companies where they allow you to either become an ambassador, you can get sponsored, or become a reseller. So say I own an e-commerce website, I can go ahead and possibly be a reseller where maybe I could sell some of their products, they would ship it direct to the customer, and I still just collect a commission. Now, this in essence is going more from affiliate marketing to drop shipping, depending on how you market some of these products. But by going ahead and filling out this information and then giving it some time, it looks like I could be eligible for them to use me as an online retailer. Now, this is a little different from affiliate marketing. So if I go down towards the ambassador program, they state that they have a program where basically they'll hook me up with solid discounts for you and your family and friends, and heck, will occasionally give you free bottles. Now, if this program here actually gave me a commission, say 10 to 20% on each sale of them using my link too, then this would be a very viable business model. Now, although I'm not seeing the ability to affiliate market this product currently, what I can then do is to go on Amazon Associates Affiliates. And here you can go on to this website. Now, basically, this is really easy. So anyone can sign up for Amazon Associates. I would then go into product links. All right, so here at this point, I'm just gonna go and enter the URL of the Owala water bottle. So I found one here, boom, boom, copy, go back into Amazon Associates, enter the URL link and name your link Owala affiliate. And then I'm gonna get the HTML. All right, guys, so the next thing that I would do is literally just hop on Instagram. I would post like a, little photo of my water bottle. And then once I go ahead and put that in there, if you want to buy one now, check out my link down below. Now go ahead and swipe up, and I can actually also add a link to the product. So let's say this is my tracking link, boom. And just like that, I've gone ahead and created my very own affiliate sponsored post on my Instagram. Now, by the way, if you guys aren't any type of like Photoshop expert, something that I still use and I've been using for at least 6 years is Canva. If you guys want to pick up a 30-day free trial, be sure to use the link down below in the description as well for that. And yes, that's an affiliate link. You guys, I gotta also be going for that bread, but only if the affiliate link helps you out as well. Now, if you're someone who doesn't like putting themselves out there, here's another example. So as most of you guys know, I got a dog about 3 to 4 months ago. Absolutely love this guy. And I went ahead and created him a brand new Instagram account. If you have a furry little friend yourself, you can create an Instagram account. And for any products that I've just enjoyed using that has saved me a lot of time, it's kept him busy, and I've noticed that he's liked it, I would go ahead and make a full post about it. So when it comes to this stuff, think of products like BarkBox. This is basically a subscription service where literally, like, instead of me going out and having to buy different toys that he'll rip up instantly, like he'll just be done with it, there's a subscription service I don't have to worry about it, and they ship me a box that he gets very excited for at the end of every single month. And then I can also choose a section where it's for like super chewers or something, and those toys have lasted me still a very long time. All right, so I would literally just hop into my BarkBox account, and believe it or not, they actually have a little referral section too. When I click on that, nothing loads, but at the bottom of their website, it says affiliate program. It says join the Bark affiliate and creator program. Step 1, apply to the program, learn more about our brand guidelines, earn commission every time someone clicks your links and makes a Bark purchase or subscription sign up. So if someone signed up for the Super Chewer box, which is the one I use, I could get $20 commission per sign up. The next time I get a box, I would open it up, I would film my dog playing with every little toy in there and him enjoying it. I would pick one of the viral songs for an Instagram reel that's getting lit up right now. Then just a matter of time, those videos usually get at least a couple hundred views, and if it goes viral, it could get tens, if not hundreds of thousands of views. And if I put a call to action, by the way, you guys want to get these products for yourself, check out the link in my description. To put links in my description, as an example, I would use a free website like Beacons, where basically they give me like a free link right here, and if someone clicks on it, then they're able to join or check out any other resource that I may have. Now, Beacons has been blowing up, and fun little fact, I was able to angel invest into this company a while ago. They also have some big plans, but even if I was not invested into this whole company, I would still recommend you guys could find any other link providing service, anything that just makes it easier for people to join. So those right there are some great examples if you're trying to just get started out, but I'm gonna say it's gonna take a lot of sales and a lot of work if you ever wanna have something like this replace your 9-to-5 income. So your only other option is to then find high ticket affiliate products. Now, high ticket affiliate marketing is exactly what I've done to make tremendous amounts of money, because even just like those $25 bark boxes, it's not going to be consistent income unless you have a dog blog, unless you have a dog channel where you have consistently new viewers and organic traffic coming in. If I were to opt on the side of doing Amazon associate links, so every time I get like my favorite little item or my gadget or a wallet or a water bottle and I do Amazon associates, that does not pay out much at all. Even as an example, ladies and gents, within the last year, I've been able to get 22,000 clicks, which is a lot of clicks for any type of website. Granted, a lot of people are going to normally click on Amazon more than anything, but off a 2% conversion rate and shipping about less than $12,000 in items, I've only been able to make $404 for this entire year for a channel my size. Granted, I don't ever focus on Amazon affiliates, and I'm not even sure what links people are clicking, but you have to realize that if you want to make a consistent, safe income, you're going to have to do something more than a 3 to 4% payout from Amazon itself. So here's a solution. You need to find products that pay out higher so you can maximize every single click that you can get. Now, to access high ticket items for those offers, you need to use sites like Impact, ClickBank, PartnerStack, or Refersion. Out of all the ones I mentioned, my favorite one is Impact, and it's the one where I've made the most amount of money from. So what you want to do is check out the link down below in the description for Impact. Once you've done that, create your own free profile, and then you'll immediately have access to thousands of different brands. Now, ladies and gents, I'll give you another little business idea. I'm not gatekeeping here. These are all really fantastic ideas for you to make millions of dollars. And one of them is to promote one affiliate that some of you guys might know about, and it's called Shopify. So right now what Shopify is doing is for every online sale, I can earn $150. And for any pro sale, they're going to give me $500 per paid trial plan. If I put that in the equivalent of bark boxes, I would need to sell a lot of different bark boxes to get just one affiliate commission off a high ticket item like this. Now, Impact's going to have a ton of other programs very similar to Shopify, but I think this one here is perfect because I've used them for the last 5 years of owning many different e-commerce businesses. And right now I'm currently working on launching a brand new product. It's still in manufacturing, but even for that, I'm going to use Shopify because they're great. Going back into my formula for success, aka my Picasso drawing right here. Right now we have the right offer. We have something that pays a lot, but now we have to find the right audience once again. In order to find out what audience will buy it, you need to start asking yourself several questions. And this comes down to just defining that audience base. So some of the things that I would ask myself is, who is Shopify's primary audience base? Is it entrepreneurs? Is it business owners? Is it someone who wants to start a business? Is it someone who's ready to start a business, but they may not have the info to? To your average person, that audience group might all sound the same to each other, but they're actually very different because someone who already has a business might not have any interest because they already are using Shopify, or they're using some other service where it costs too much money for them to switch out of. Shopify's direct audience base might actually be a hungry younger entrepreneur just trying to make something for themselves, and they're most likely to have the highest conversion. What are they looking? Where can I position this offer to them? Well, chances are if they're looking to start a business, they're probably looking for videos on YouTube or TikTok, or they're trying to find different blogs online, and I would go ahead and create this free content for them to find and discover. So personally, what I would do is I would create a video or a free course on educating someone on how to start a business using Shopify, whether it's trying to get into an e-commerce company, whether it's trying to start drop shipping, whether it's trying to start your own print on demand store using AI, whatever it is. If I'm able to educate someone, give them the right tools to find success, and then I position the Shopify affiliate link in front of them, that's $500 right there. So say that video does 100 views. If I'm able to convert just 2 people from those views, that's $1,000 that you made. So anytime you create content, it's going to be living on the internet for a while. And this is one of the reasons why anytime you put information, you help people out there, it resides on the internet, it could help someone else out. That then turns into the passive income cycle that we talked about earlier. So going back into the formula, once again, we got the right offer, we got the right audience, and then from that, we should be able to make profit. Now, the better the offering and the better the audience is, the more likely you'll be able to get what people call a grand slam home run, which is when you can expect to make even $100,000 in a single day if you do it right. So ladies and gents, those right there were just a few examples on how I would take things step by step. Start small, scale up, know the formula. Once you get it right, it's all about rinsing and repeating. Now, the biggest lesson I'm gonna share to you guys is the fact that you won't be able to make money right away, but the fact that if you take action, sign up, try it out, even if you're able to sell just like one item, one bark box, one water bottle, if you're able to get in the routine or habit of that, you can then start getting your mind to start thinking bigger, to start scaling up in a different direction. And ultimately, that's how I've been able to make multiple 7 figures within this space. So the fact that you're watching this here in this moment, listen to the words that I'm saying, y'all are already within a certain percentile group of people that I think have the best chance of succeeding. Use the links down below in the description to get started now. Another thing too, a resource for you guys to check out is my newsletter. I don't send emails often at all. I actually don't know the last time we sent an email within our side hustle group, but this is for any time I come across a new viral marketing strategy, or I think there are any offers that might help you guys out. You don't need to waste thousands of dollars trying to test it out to see what that's going to be. If I'm able to discover it, I'm going to let my people know within the newsletter. So be sure to check that out down below. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys want to learn more about making money. I also talk about crypto, credit cards, pretty much anything to get you guys to be like the 2.0 Sigma Alpha version of yourself and just be the best version possible that you can be. If you also want to join me deeper in my cause and just helping others make more money, and you want to be a part of my inner circle, you can also go ahead and join my new and updated Patreon for just about $15 a month. Now, I'm confident that if you join, you're going to be getting much more value than that $15. You're going to be paying for that membership for that whole year. So most likely this will be sold out because every time I've done a membership group in the past, it's always sold out immediately. But if you guys want to go ahead and check out the waiting group for that, the link for that will be down below in the description as well for the link. Check out Impact, sign up for it today. Check out some of the other affiliate programs if you guys need to as well. Thanks again so much for watching this video. Follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. And until next time, peace out.